Hi children, this is lecture 7 of electrochemistry in the PU part, and this is slide number 13. The topic is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log Q. Now, what is the significance of this equation? We are going to say, because significance is not given here. So you will know the significance only when you apply this equation to a actual cell like Daniell cell. So I will show you the physical significance of this equation. You will really come to know and appreciate the Nernst equation and equilibrium constant. Okay, now supposing so the it is a physical significance of relationship between E cell and Q. So basically, what is Q? Q is called a reaction coefficient. It is called equilibrium reaction coefficient. Okay. Now, supposing you have a hypothetical equation like this. All of you know that what is small a, small b, small c, small d stoichiometric coefficient of respective reactants and products, and capital E, capital B are reactants, and small c, capital D are products. Supposing, so all of you know what is Q. It is applying law of mass action, product of the concentration of the product raised to the stoichiometric coefficient divided by product of molar concentration of the reactant raised to the power of the stoichiometric coefficient. Supposing you apply this for Daniell cell, Now, what was the Nernst equation given for this? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log Q, that is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log C power C into D power D divided by A power A into B power B. Great. Now, to understand the physical significance of this equation, let us apply this for Daniell cell. What is a Daniell cell redox equation? Zinc plus Cu2 plus giving Cu plus Zn2 plus, completely balanced. Now here, what is concentration of A? E power A, it is zinc whole power 1. What is B power B? This is Cu2 plus whole power 1. Then what is C power C? It is Cu power 1. This is solid Cu. So solid Cu and solid zinc always considered as unity with respect to IUPAC. Then next, coming to capital D power D is zinc 2 plus whole power 1. Now you write the Nernst equation for this, and equilibrium constant E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2, because in the redox equation of Daniell cell, n is equal to 2. All of you know this, we have discussed log. So what is C power C? C power C is 1. So the C power C term will not come. Next, D power T is concentration of zinc 2 plus divided by, once again, A power A is also unity, coming to B power B, Cu2 plus whole power. Now this is the relationship between equilibrium constant and E cell. So this was your Q value. Okay, now what I'm going to write now as a note is a very, very, very important physical significant. So E cell value depends on E cell value depends on concentration of Zn2 plus as well as concentration of Cu2 plus. Now, supposing you revert this equation, you will get E cell equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 by 2 log Cu2 plus comes to the top, Zn2 plus comes to the bottom. Okay, why I am writing like this, I'll tell you. Because of the positive sign, that means if concentration of Cu2 plus increases significantly, so in the Daniell cell, suddenly I am adding, how I can achieve this statement? If I adding another 1 molar extra Cu2 plus ions, what will happen? What will happen to E cell? E cell directly proportional to Cu2 plus. That means if I add extra Cu2 plus from outside, E cell increases. At the same time, if I add extra 1 molar zinc 2 plus, which is in the denominator, what you will get? E cell will decrease. So this is the physical significance of relationship between E cell and reaction coefficient Q. Okay, thank you.